good, y'all? It's your boy Chris, man. Back again with another banger vlog. But ladies and gentlemen, we have a crazy one right now. Y'all see this right here? Y'all see that? Yeah, this looks extremely out of pocket. I ain't really lie. You got KFC CHIZZA. It's ready to be out of pocket, but we're about to try it. So right now, currently, I'm just watching this SEC championship. Even though UK, we end up losing first round. It's okay, but March Madness ready to come, so we straight, we cool. Like for real, I don't know what to expect. I don't know if this is about to be good. You better just try it, but I just want to tell y'all, man, that I thank y'all, love y'all, I appreciate y'all. We're gonna do a lot more videos, a lot more food reviews and everything. Like I've been telling y'all, it's been like a week, probably going on 2 weeks. I wanted to record this video last week, but we ain't talking about that. But hey, you better go on, but hit KFC. Y'all see I got the red on too. You heard me? So matching the KFC attire type joint. You heard me? But you have to go get right into it. So let's see what this KFC pizza. And on top of that too, I just want to say, if you is like okay, obviously if y'all don't know, I'm from Louisville, so like KFC is like well known over here. If you like KFC, you're trifling, you're out of pocket. Like KFC is actually like, no, it's not good. Like KFC is like the worst chicken spot for it's not better than Indies, it's not better than Lee's, it's not better than what's it called, King's Chicken or something like that. Like it ain't better than none of that. Like KFC trifling. So we about to see what this is talking about though. So if they pizza banging, shit. You heard me? But hey, kind of nervous though, cause I feel like my stomach ready to get towed up. But this is what it looks like once again. So yeah, you better get right into this chicken pizza. What? Alright, let's just go. You ready? Alright, y'all. So finally here at KFC. I actually see the picture on the window. You have to just see what this drink talking about. I'm actually I have no clue what to expect, bro. They have something else too, smashed potato bowl. Oh nah, okay, look, we ain't finna do all that, but we finna just go in, finna try this. Let's see what we talking about. Let's go. Y'all. Oh man. That look just, I don't know. I don't know what to expect, y'all, but hopefully this is ready to be good. Kinda nervous, but we about to actually see what this talking about though. So, man, oh man. Oh yeah. So we about to try this, bro. Hopefully this is good. I don't know. This might be bad. Alright y'all, so they actually got a kiosk, so I'm gonna use this instead. I'm gonna get mine in. Alright, where is that? Small. I'm gonna get a small drink. I'm gonna just keep it all right. Like that. Should I get it? I'm gonna get a drink too. Cause what I don't like it. Nah, no drink. That's all. Wait, regular? Should I get a small or should I get a regular? I'm gonna get small. Alright. Do you water? Alright, gotta get one. $6, baby. Bet it up. See, look. Even they like, I can drink. Nah, I'm gonna skip it. See the Louis? Where your mom is at? Where your mom is at? I didn't get my number. I guess I'll look over here. Actually, no receipt. I don't even need it. Alright, so now we're about to just wait for the food, y'all. Let's do this. Alright, y'all. Spoon, fork, whatever. Delicious. Alright, that's what it looks like. you got the small joint though. So this is what it look like, y'all. Wow. Okay. So like, should I just? Nah, I'm gonna cut it first. I'm gonna cut it first. I'm gonna see like, you know what I mean? Like what we talking about. Like. Let's do this. I'm actually pretty nervous about this because I genuinely don't know. Bro, that's really chicken. Okay. I'm ready to take a bite. Everything on. Like, I'm gonna put the bacon on it too. Oh yeah, redo it. I don't like it. Let's do this. Okay. I gotta take another bite, but this time I have to take a bite with the sauce though. I ain't really lie. I don't like KFC. This is good. I ain't really lie. Now this is hard. Like, for sure. It's well seasoned. The mozzarella, what's that's on it? It's not too much. It's hit just right. When it comes to like these, I ain't a big fan of them for real. So like, I mess with it because you know it's not too many on there for me. So that's a plus too. So why don't we better take one more bite. Let's see this. Yeah, I give it like a, I'm gonna lie, out of 10, I'm giving it a cool 7.5. Like, just like I said, it's good, but like, this wouldn't be something that you got to constantly eat. You know what I mean? Like, it ain't bad though. Like, here, it might hurt. Y'all take a bite, you know, y'all try it. Tell me what y'all think. I take it back right here. It was good? Yeah. Y'all know y'all mess with that. Going to KFC, getting this. I think I would honestly, out of everything on their menu, I'm getting this with some macaroni and cheese. Is that a nasty combo? That's a nasty combo, and that's out of pocket, ain't it? But dead serious. Everything else on there, nah, you can keep it. So, KFC, I see did your thing on this, for real. The cheese too. Hold on, let's talk about the cheese too. The cheese on there, it's not too much cheese either, you know. But the best part about it, honestly, is how well seasoned the chicken is. I ain't ready to lie. That's like, the chicken is very seasoned. Like I said, give it a 7.5. I would tell y'all to try it. It look, where's the picture? It's a picture somewhere over here, but like y'all see it though. It look nasty, but it's not that bad. But this was aight. 7 point. Why is this pan so tight? Let me also say one thing. I don't know why y'all got French fries here. That's out of pocket. Look at. Alright, but yeah, y'all. I won't count. It's cool. Not that bad. 7.5, like I said. You have to try it out though. This really shocked me though. I was not expecting this to taste like this, for real. But yeah, that's that. Hi y'all. I forgot to honestly do an outro for this. I'm over here watching Ariana Grande's her interview to her new album type joint. Shout out to her, man. Amazing. Go check out that album reaction too. That was such a great album reaction. But that is the end of this right here, man. Hope y'all did enjoy. Let me put this on mute, bro, so y'all can hear me talk, bro. That is the end of this video, man. Hope y'all did enjoy. Let me know some more videos that y'all would like for me to do. More vlogs and more food reviews and everything of that nature is about to be coming on the way. I promise y'all. But I just want to tell y'all from the bottom of my heart, I thank y'all and I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for all of the support. It means the world to me. But yeah, done editing this video. Love y'all. Peace out, man.